So, oh. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. I am here again with another challenge, which is orange food challenge. So I'm gonna eat all the orange food that you can see. I tried getting all the possible things that I could, and also I couldn't shoot the supermarket scene, as I don't know how people even shoot their videos on supermarket, as it was quite difficult for me, as there were like so much crowd, that too in zigzag way. So I just couldn't even take my trolley in. So it was quite difficult for me to shoot. So I couldn't shoot that. So I will just directly show you all the stuff that I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna eat it for 24 hours. It's just that I'm just gonna eat it, like try everything that I have and tell you the reviews about it, and you can watch me eating and enjoy. I tried, getting into the theme, but I just realized I don't really have any orange, tea or anything in orange. But thank God I had something that had, a few marks of orange color in it. So I just wore this one. I tried to, complete the theme of orange color. So let's get started. So first, what should I start? Okay, let's start with the drink first. Okay, so I bought this one Glucon-D and I got such a big bottle free. So I'm gonna make Glucon-D for myself. I've already filled the water. I'm gonna teach you how to make Glucon-D. I know everyone knows it, but I'm gonna open the small size first, as you know. I think a spoon won't be enough. Take a lot of spoons. I'm just gonna see if its color change, and accordingly I'm mixing it. Oh. But now सब गिर गया. Haven't you guys eaten Glucon-D when you are a child? Like the raw Glucon-D. It tastes so yummy. If you haven't, you are like missing everything. Just shake it. Shake it. Okay, so I'm gonna drink this now and tell you how it tastes. I did quite a great work now. Okay, let's eat this. My mother made the yippee, as this was an orange color, so I got this one. And the plate is also orange. You can appreciate the theme that I have created. Okay, and yes, do you know how to eat with chopsticks? I have learned. And if you know, you can comment down. I don't know why people say like yippee is not good. Like definitely Maggie is the best, but yippee is not bad. Like it's a good alternative. It tastes amazing. It's nice. Definitely I am a Maggie person, I am not a yippee person. Please don't kill me in the comment section. But definitely it doesn't taste bad. It's a great alternative for Maggie. So I would rate it like an 8 on 10, as it's tasty. Okay, so the next thing is like, this was the one, like there were nothing orange in the market. Like I tried so much, but still I couldn't find more orange stuff. So the next one is balanced wafer stacker. This is the one. I'm gonna open it. I love spicy things. Looks so spicy. Can you see it? How can this be so tasty? I randomly picked this, believe me. I just saw this was an orange color. I just thought that let's grab this one, and I couldn't find more things in orange. It's so nice. It has similar packaging to Pringles, and it tastes like quite similar to Pringles only, but it's spicy, which is nice. And guess what? It's an orange challenge. Still, we are out of orange. And since I think whole week there was orange filled in our house, and when I'm shooting the video, the next one is this orange haze. Now everyone should love this flavor, as this is my favorite flavor out of all the Lays. Like this, and the green one is like the go-to ones. And I also like blue because of its spiciness and all. But this one is amazing flavor. You should definitely try it. I'm gonna open it. So I'm going to use the Viva Chipotle Southwest dressing and the sauce, whatever you can say. Okay, I use this sauce like for almost everything, like for sandwich, for like everything. For even the pasta sauce includes this, as this tastes amazing. The flavor is Chipotle Southwest dressing. This is how it looks. Next thing is the real mixed fruit juice, and I'm gonna put it up in my cute bulb jar. I don't know how I'm gonna put it. I know it's gonna fall out, but still I'm gonna do it, because why not? Who's gonna put it in the glass and then from the glass to this? It's quite a task for that way. So, told you. This is like the favorite one. This tastes amazing. Okay, so the second last thing are these biscuits, and these are one of my favorite biscuits, as it has a story behind this. As at Himachal, my hometown, I tried these biscuits and I loved them so much, but I couldn't find it anywhere else, as it was available at that particular place only. So but now suddenly today yesterday I found it, and I was like so happy that I got these biscuits. So I'm gonna try it and show you my live reaction. Okay, so this tastes amazing. Also, the last thing is this Frutella thing, and I have eaten this before, so yeah. I'm gonna eat it again. It is orangish in color. It is hard to chew, but it tastes like Glucon-D only. It's a nice toffee, you can say. Yeah, it's okay. I didn't like it much. And they have a lot of flavors in this, a lot. This flavor is not that great. It's an orange flavor only, but it's hard to chew and it just sticks everywhere. And yes, that's it for today, guys. I will finish this off alone afterwards. And if you like this challenge, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.